Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Friends, today I am going to make pumpkin and potato recipe in a different way. This is red pumpkin, you can see this, and I will mix potatoes also in this size I have cut up. So today the recipe will be very different. I hope you all will like it. And the masala which I am going to use, I have taken 2 green chilies, ginger, dhania and jeera. All this I will make it into a paste and then use it for the curry. So I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. So friends, now I will start the recipe. While making the recipe, I will show you the ingredients. Friends, first of all, I will fry the pumpkin and the potato. Once the oil turns hot, I will fry the pumpkin first and then the potatoes. Friends, you can see I am putting the pumpkin to fry. I will put some turmeric powder. And some salt. I will let this fry. Friends, now I will take out the pumpkin. Friends, now I will fry the potatoes. Friends, now the potato also is fried up. This also I will take it out. Now in the same oil, I will make the curry. This is the pachforan. This pachforan I am going to put it in the oil. These are the bay leaves. This also I put in. Friends, now this is the cut up tomatoes. This also I will put in. I will let the tomatoes fry a bit. Friends, you can see the tomatoes are almost fried. Now I will put in the masala which I made into a paste. Put in the turmeric powder. some chili powder. And let the masala turn brown. Friends, the masala is turned brown. Now I will put in the fried pumpkin, red pumpkin and the potatoes. Friends, I am using sugar 1 spoon. This also I will put in. This will give it a nice flavor, the sugar. Friends, now I will add the salt. Friends, now I will add the water and let the curry cook. Friends, I have added the water. I hope you all will like this recipe. Cover it up and let it cook. Friends, red pumpkin and potato curry is ready. Today I made this curry, this recipe, Niramish, pumpkin and potato curry. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.